On Playtime with Littles, we're going to play with this super cute owl. And look, it has ABCs on all the bubbles. Can you help me pop them? Let's start with the letter A. Next is B. C. D. E. F. G. What letter is this? H. Good job. I. J. K. What letter is next? L. M. N. What letter is this? O. Good job. P. Q. R. What's next? Is this a Z? No, that's an S. What letter is after S? T. U. What letter is this? V. Good job. You are so smart. Let's keep going. What letter is this? W. X. Y. Z. You did such a good job helping me find all of our letters. You are so smart. See you next time on Playtime with Littles.